I didn't bring my wand down with me, so.
Alright, Eric, I've done this 8 million times trying to get the right take. So, this is going to be the last time I do it. I just learned how to do a Rubik's Cube a few days ago. I've been practicing, trying to get my time down to about 5 minutes. So, if anyone I know, I think you would like it and appreciate it. So, here we go. Totally blowing this. Okay, the top layer, done. So now I'm going to go for the middle layer here. Cool. Got the first layer, the middle layer. Now I'm working on the last one. There it is, done. Woo! Woo! That's my new record. That's my new record. That was like 3 minutes right there. Hey, I love you. You're super smart. I think you'd appreciate something like this. So, I think you get a kick out of it. Let me know. You might already know how to do it. If you don't, let me know. I'll show you how. It can be fun. Whatever. I miss you. I hope everything's going well. Send me a message. I hope you're doing good. Bye.